What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We gotta talk about the Tesla Semi, a bunch of brand new leaked information and also previous leaked photos and also a video of the Tesla Semi. They're always coming out on a constant basis. Just want to share this with you, especially how the Tesla Semi is one of the vehicles that Tesla makes that virtually gets little to no press coverage. I think everyone is very obsessed with the Model S refresh, and I don't blame them. It's a really incredible car. Everyone is really focused on the Roadster, the Cybertruck, etc. But we have to admit that the semi-truck is honestly a pretty dope car, and some people even said that they will actually be willing to drive a semi-truck to work. I know that sounds pretty crazy, but the semi-truck is honestly pretty fast. In fact, you could kind of say it's just as fast as a sports SUV. That's the speed of a semi-truck. 0 to 60, the speeds are absolutely out of this world. It's a technology of electricity and also Tesla engineering that really makes the vehicle super great. And you got companies out there like Walmart even ordering several Tesla semis. And guess what? Tesla has this massive semi-truck market in the electric industry all to themselves. No other company right now are making electric semi-trucks. I mean, sure, Daimler is making electric semi-trucks, but it's in the concept phase. It's nowhere near production. Tesla should start production of the semi-truck sometime mid-2021 this year. So that is pretty exciting. If you check out this Twitter post by Sawyer Merritt, this is pretty big because he's saying that Tesla will be posting several semi-truck related jobs in the coming weeks. And he also has sources that are confirmed that Tesla has now posted 4 Tesla Semi technician jobs for North America. So I guess if you guys are a technician and you really want to work for Tesla, hey, jobs are open for that. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be extremely competitive. So things are looking pretty good for Tesla, especially how finally we get more news about this. It's really scary when you see a car manufacturer not posting any jobs for the vehicle. That means they're nowhere near the production phase. But now with the Austin Gigafactory almost complete, they should start production sometime soon. So obviously right now it just seems very reasonable for them to start hiring individuals for the production. And this is great, and we all know that this is North America posting, meaning that they will be most likely working in the Austin Gigafactory where everything is produced. Now, fun fact, the Nevada Gigafactory actually has some semi-truck postings. I'm not really sure why, since the Nevada Gigafactory is strictly only making batteries, but they do have a somewhat big Tesla semi presence over there as well. So it's not just the Austin Gigafactory. And then the next post here is by Dan Birkland. This is actually a photo, according to member of @TeslaOwnersMN, that a Tesla Semi was spotted in northern Minnesota today. And if you look at the picture, it looks pretty incredible. This is a Tesla Semi. Now the top is obviously taken off and it will be put on once the vehicle is fully on the floor. But you can clearly see that everything looks very nice. You got the wheels, you got the iconic Tesla logo in the very front. It looks really sleek, very, very beautiful car. And overall, this semi-truck just looks great. I'm not really sure where they're shipping this, but most likely probably for testing, because they're not actually sending this out to customers just yet. I think they're simply just transporting this vehicle possibly from one area to another area for further testing, maybe for different tracks, etc. But hey, this is pretty awesome stuff. I mean, if you're on the highway on the road and you suddenly see like a Tesla Semi, that must be like a pretty exciting feeling. And the vehicle itself just looks really good. And then you also have a bunch of photos from the Kilowatts. Shout out to them on Twitter as well. You clearly see there's several pictures of the Tesla Semi. It looks really good. Once again, this one's the same thing with the top taken off. On the very back, it just looks like a traditional diesel truck area. It's where you like put all like the trailers, the cargo, all that stuff on it. And it just seems like a very, very sleek car. And the price for the vehicle isn't even that outrageous. It's like $150,000 to $200,000 per car, so it's not that bad, and plus you get to save a bunch of money. And there's also several rumors right now about how the Tesla Semi will be having a lot of cameras around the vehicle. Now, autopilot will not be a thing for the Tesla Semi. That is probably not going to happen within the next few years, but we should be seeing full autonomy for the regular Tesla sedans by the end of this year, 2021. Musk actually promised this. They should be having a massive software release for autopilot around mid-April. And then we should be seeing full autonomy at the end of 2021, possibly November or December. And we're already seeing some pretty incredible stuff about the fully autonomous driving systems. They drive themselves in like major highways and transition to inner cities. They can recognize pedestrian stop signs, roads, cars in front of them, crosswalks. It's a pretty incredible deal. Now the Tesla Semi is not getting all those features It's not going to be fully autonomous, but it will be equipped with several sensors, meaning that if, let's say, the truck is too close to something, it will auto brake for the driver. I can't stress you guys how dangerous that is, especially on the highway. You got several accidents every single year that involve semi trucks. And a lot of these truck drivers, they drive for hours and hours every single day. And it takes a toll on them mentally and also physically. So obviously having some safety features equipped in the Tesla Semi, this is exactly what Tesla's doing, makes it very appealing. It saves companies money, time, and also the hassle. So having these safety features alone just makes it far more superior than anything that the diesel industry is making. So Tesla Semi, absolutely amazing car. Lastly, if you check out this video right here, this is actually the Tesla Semi racing on a track. This is by Tesla officially. And it's been a while since Tesla actually posted anything official, like videos or pictures of the semi-truck. But it really shows you that the vehicle itself is super fast, almost like a race car. This almost seems super weird for such a big vehicle, but the only way for a car that size to accelerate and go around the track that quickly is obviously an electric semi-truck. So this is a pretty nice little teaser that Tesla's giving us. Obviously, this should definitely give a lot of investors, also a lot of companies out there considering to go electric. And currently there's a lot of companies that are trying to go electric, especially how Biden is pushing pretty heavily for electric vehicles. What I'm guessing here is probably a lot more money will be stuffed into greener America, greener transportation, etc. I really want to be seeing some sort of like a major tax incentive. Let's say a company buys like 10 Tesla semis, maybe get like $75,000 off on all 10 of those vehicles. Maybe some nice tax incentives. Maybe if they trade in their gasoline vehicles, they get like a lot more money back, or they could buy the vehicles for cheap. I feel like a tax incentive like this will get a lot more people buying the Tesla Semi, and Tesla will obviously get more money. And this is a big car. Once sales start rolling through, once it starts getting deployed out to like several other countries, I feel like share price will definitely go up. Right now, Tesla stock is at $650. It's not really moved that much. It's super lazy. I think the majority of the reason why is most individuals are not really looking at the future catalyst. People are just simply looking at the short-term gains. But if you really look far enough, the Tesla Semi has massive potential. And eventually, in my opinion, it will be the first fully autonomous semi-truck with no drivers in it. I feel like that will be coming within just the next few years. By the way, we also should be seeing more information about like the gigafactories. I think like the Berlin Gigafactory and also the Austin Gigafactory hasn't really been getting that much press coverage either. But we should be seeing more leaks out there. Should be a lot of really cool things coming in. You got like the price tags of different vehicles slowly popping in. We should be probably seeing some tax incentives coming in as well. So if you guys are interested in perhaps getting like a Tesla vehicle, maybe check out some of the tax incentives. Like if you guys live in Cali, $1,500 off. It's pretty great. I wonder if that's even still there. It's probably gone. But hey, I mean, we should be seeing more tax incentives because of the Biden administration pushing pretty heavily into cleaner vehicles. That's it. Subscribe for more Tesla videos.